Last week, we started our social studies assignments in a little bit of a different format. When you went to your classwork tab and you found your work for that week, it was actually a Google form. I right now am in a student view, so yours should look pretty similar. One of the concerns right here is that your work is still saying missing. Now, I'm going to go ahead and complete this. I haven't completed this real fast. I'm not going to answer the questions though. This is not the correct way to complete this, but to do this as my example, that's all I'm going to enter. I've submitted it. That's the most important button, and you need to see this sign. Social studies, this week it should say week of June 1st. Your answers have been submitted. Thanks for working hard. This is the most important thing. As long as you see this sign right here, I will be able to go in as your teacher and see all of your answers. For some reason, now that I've completed it, I'm going to exit out. When I go back, there's no button for me to turn this in. So you can't really turn it in. What you need to do is look for that little note we just read. Then eventually, by the end of the week, on Friday or possibly next Monday, on your Google Classroom, you should see a note from me. So I've added this note to this student's Google Classroom. You did a fabulous job working on your social studies assignment this week. I really enjoyed learning about China, and I hope you did too. I had no clue they invented toilet paper. This shows this student that I have seen their work for this week, even though in the classwork tab it says missing. If you think you completed last week's work and you did not get a note from me, please let me know. I will double check again to make sure I've gotten everyone as of today if you've submitted it late. But you should get some kind of note from me if you've completed your social studies and I've got it as a confirmation. Thanks for watching.